social media. Now, this is one that if you're listening to this presentation, you should definitely be using, because social media is the way that you're going to reach your potential licensees. And again, it's literally a low cost and in many cases a no cost strategy. Now, some of the things that you should be doing with your social media strategy, first and foremost, is have a web page or a website. That's where you should put all the information about your intellectual property. And from there, you should build out a blog. You should connect it to social media sites such as Facebook, LinkedIn, and other places. And the idea this becomes your central hub. And I had a client and they had a technology, and this is one of the most effective strategies that we use. They had built a website, and because they had so much information related to the tests and the research results from their, related to their intellectual property, their sound technology, that what was done is all of that information was posted on the website. Now, this was a real time saver, because every time that we went out to the market to make presentations or they wanted additional information, rather than having to go through the process of having to send that information, what we did is referred them to the website. And this is the same thing you can do. Using the social media tools, posting this information up there, you're able to have one place where all potential licensees can go to get information about your IP, but two, and more importantly, you're going to be able to provide them up-to-date information. And by the way, don't forget about blogging. Blogging is very important. You're going to be able to start a dialogue. That's what you really want to do, is start a dialogue. And through your blog postings, you're able to connect with potential licensees, present updated information, and start a dialogue with your potential licensees.